Welcome back. In the subject of sales and distribution management, today we are going to talk about integrated marketing channels in detail. As of now, we have seen various distribution channel in detail that we have seen various classification of distribution channels. Students, modifying a distribution placement strategy is considerably more challenging than altering a promotional or the pricing strategy. So the elements and the activities which are involved in the system are very much dynamic in nature. So compared to the distribution process, which is relatively stable because of the dynamic nature of the distribution channel and several types of intermediary, we have mergers, amalgamation have involved in the same. So due to the existence of channel dynamics, there is an essential requirement of a leader. So a leader is needed to allocate all the duties and manage the dispute among the partners if they have any. So hence integrated marketing channel system is used to manage the activities associated with the distribution. So integrated marketing channel system is also known as the channel integration or the prominent channel systems. It comprises of multiple channels where each channel performs different function within a single sales process. The main motive of the channel integration is to improve the profitability level, and the secondary motive is to achieve the increased market coverage. Multiple channels are mostly used to cover a wide number of customers. Thus, it is an influential and complex method of carrying out the distribution activities in the market. So, in developing an extended enterprise, there is a requirement of huge investment, and there is we have addition to that we have to dedicate towards the three main factors which is required for developing the enterprise. The first factor among them is connectivity. Here we are talking about the technological and informational connection between the companies which is needed within the distribution network. So this connectivity enables the companies to access the accurate information related to the channel flow. The second factor is community. So it is a group of firms having similar targets and mission within a supply chain arrangement where all the firms should readily agree to function together to accomplish a common goal or the purpose. The third uh, the third point which we have to consider is collaboration. So it portrays the mutual interdependence between the channel members of a supply chain network. So collaboration is above all the agreements which are laid down to formulate the procedure or the principles and the structure that will stimulate the concept of shared understanding. Companies understand the importance of placing the requirement of supply chain first above its own needs because the success of each independent company is correlated to the success of other companies and the entire supply chain as well. So, in integrated marketing channel system, there will be types of marketing channel system which we are going to discuss one by one. As you can see, there are three different forms of marketing system or marketing channels here. The first one we have is horizontal market system, then we have is vertical market system, then we have is multi-channel market system. We will see this by one. First thing first is horizontal marketing system. So horizontal channel integration, it refers to the process of combining firms of similar function level in the marketing channel under one management. For example, the owner of a dry cleaning firm can buy or integrate several other existing dry cleaning firms. So horizontal integration facilitates a firm to generate the adequate sales turnover by integrating vertically as well. So under the horizontal integration, a firm gains economies of scale and efficiencies in purchasing, advertising, marketing research, and specialized personnel. So along with this, a firm is also involved in large scale planning, additional marketing research they can do, or flexibility and coordination can be gained with the help of horizontal market system. All this is possible until all the distribution function are carried out effectively by various units under an integrated management. So a horizontal marketing system is an association of two or more companies at a similar level to follow a new marketing opportunities. So this structure is formed when the company has shortage of fund, scarce marketing resources, no knowledge of production function, and if suppose it is anxious about to start up alone. So while by operating together, company can combine their financial, marketing, and production resources to achieve more than what an individual company could achieve alone. So the companies can integrate efforts with their competitors as well as the non-competitors. We will take an example of McDonald's here. So McDonald's expressed introduced its express outlet in the Walmart store. So by this horizontal integration, McDonald's gets the benefit from the huge store traffic, whereas Walmart can keep its hungry customer not to go elsewhere to eat. So this can be known as the horizontal marketing system. Now, what is the advantage of HMS? So, the integration of business horizontally helps the company to achieve the economies of scale by selling more homogeneous products through geographical expansion. Also, in horizontal marketing system, economies of scope can be attained by sharing resources that are common in producing different products, and the cost of international trade can be also be reduced by incorporating production units in the foreign countries. What will be the disadvantage of HMS? So, due to the integration of businesses, size of the company may cause the problem like the lack of coordination or the miscommunication or the lack of control, lack of supervision. Next disadvantage will be there are greater possibilities of conflict between the channel members. And the last one we have is this marketing system is very rigid in nature. So that is for HMS, that is horizontal marketing system. Second we have is vertical marketing system. So again, as name suggests, it is a vertical integration. It is a type of integration which empowers a company to manage all the facet of its business activity by acquiring other companies. So unlike horizontal integration, vertical integration purchases company which are above or below from the existing company in the supply chain network. For example, a clothing store procures a manufacturing plant to maintain a constant and stable supply of clothing. As a result, the store not only gets a stable source of supply but can also design its own fashion which is exclusive for their store. So vertical channel integration combines two or more levels of channel which are managed by one management. This type of situation may occur when a channel member takes over the functions of another channel member or simply carries out the functions of another member. So therefore eliminating that intermediary from the distribution channel, we can grow our vertical marketing system. So vertical marketing system facilitates effective establishment of integration in various marketing channels. Again, a conventional distribution channel comprises of more than one independent manufacturer, wholesaler, and retailers. Now, when we talk about the vertical marketing system, there will be some advantage of it. The first advantage, which is very important, is it is a simpler to control the channel behavior. In the vertical marketing system, it is very simple to control the channel behavior. The second we have is it is easy to resolve the dispute which can be caused by independent channel members who follow their own objectives. The third we have is it integrates the efforts of independent channel members which increases the efficiency of distribution channel. Next you have is the vertical marketing system attains an economies of scale by eliminating duplicate services and bargaining power. So all these are the advantage of vertical marketing system. Next we have is disadvantage of vertical marketing system. The first disadvantage is a lot of additional cost is involved in the administration processes of vertical marketing system. So these are related to the cost which are incurred in the establishment and the maintenance of the system. The operation of the company are inflexible in nature due to the significant investment which we have made already in the supply chain channel or the distribution channel. So thus it becomes very complex to alter the various policies or the strategies and the processes of the company to tackle the external situation. The next disadvantage is there are no opportunities to gain expertise in specific area of distribution channel as the company controls several functions in the vertical marketing channel. That's it for vertical VMS. Next you have is multi-channel marketing system, or we can call it as hybrid channel system. So many companies are seeking alternatives to the traditional selling system because of the rapidly increasing competition. So it has become difficult for the companies to endure the profit margin and meet out the changing customer consumer preferences. So in the past scenario, companies used to rely on the direct selling or the distributor, but now various methods of selling have been developed like direct mail or retailing or the internet selling. So when the company use large number of marketing channels uh, simultaneously, they then it is known as the hybrid channel system, wherein I'll put this channel through an example like the first and foremost company which uses the multi-channel marketing system or the hybrid marketing system was IBM. So the company employed almost 18 channels to sell its wide range of computers. Like they gone through the catalog selling, telemarketing, value-added resellers. They have done all of it. So these marketing channels have been involved to aid the big companies in increasing their market coverage, sorry, and the sales volume and the distribution cost. So this act as a major part of company's total expenditure, which will constitute the sales and distribution cost. Now, the process of designing hybrid channel system involves identification of channel characteristics, then determining the channel mix properties, and selecting the total number of channel which is required for attaining the desired result. Now, what will be the advantage of hybrid market system or the multiple channel system? The first is the companies can enter the untouched market segments. So there will be increase in market coverage. The second we have is in certain condition it will help to improve the cost of channel. So hybrid marketing system involves the lower channel cost. Next is with the help of hybrid channel system, the company can revise their distribution pattern as per the requirements of the customer. So more customized selling will be there in hybrid channel system. Now, what will be the disadvantage of hybrid channel system? So, as in we are employing more and more channel members, different channels serving the same customer segment can create the dissatisfaction as well as the uncertainty among them. Next can be managing multiple channels can become a complex task for the controlling company. Next you have is the companies may face several difficulties in case if the channel members misuse the freedom given to them. The last disadvantage we have is the channel members may not cooperate with each other and also cause conflict among them in order to achieve their own individual goals. That can be happen in hybrid market system or the multi-channel market system. So that's it for today's lecture. In next lecture, we will be seeing the wholesaling and retailing, and we will be seeing another. We will be touching another topic, which is introduction of supply chain management. Supply chain management. Until then, stay tuned and please subscribe to the channel of. Uh, please subscribe to the channel of GS College of Commerce for the e-learning. Thank you.